Hey everyone, it's Kevin Brown. I am so excited, so honored to be your closing keynote speaker at the Institute Summit, helping every shop reach the top. St. Petersburg, Florida, February 3rd. We're going to be talking about an idea called the hero effect. The hero effect is about being your best when it matters the most. And listen, if there was ever a time in human history where we needed leaders to step up and do the things that drive culture, that drive organizational excellence and customer loyalty, that time is now. And there's an opportunity at the Institute Summit to create separation from the competition, to show up when it matters the most and make life better for others, to solve problems with excellence, to show up with your unique brand of service and knock it out of the park every single time. I promise this is unlike any keynote you've ever seen. Now listen, I know it's the closing keynote. My dad always said the secret to success is to finish what you start. A lot of people leave the last session. A lot of people don't show up. They go and they catch their flights and they go home. Listen, I want you to be there. This is going to be a life-changing event. We're going to have a great time together. We're going to laugh together. We're going to learn together. Most importantly, we're going to grow together. The Institute Summit, February 3rd, St. Petersburg, Florida. I'll see you there.